Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Shea Butter Bars with frankincense and blue cypress. So we've had some extremely cold days here and nights, sometimes in the teens, which is super cold for us. My skin has been so dry, particularly my hands. I started using just shea butter on them at night, which has helped a lot. And I decided to make Shea Butter Bars with frankincense and blue cypress. I added these two oils for their amazing skin benefits and they're super moisturizing. This is just what I've been doing. It's not even so much a recipe, just what I've been doing to help my really dry hands. And I also like to use it at night only because it is really thick, even though it does eventually sink in. But I keep it in the fridge, I apply it at night, and in the morning my hands are a lot softer and more moisturized. So I've been enjoying it, but I wanted to share with you guys as a really simple recipe, if you even want to call it that. But let's jump into the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.